Here's what the hens are up to. Pop said they were allowed out of the house for the day, and tonight he's gonna lock it back up. Yeah, very cute. Daisy and Noozle are somewhere under the house. And then give me an interview. So pretty. It's so pretty, Penny. So pretty. What are you trying to do? So pretty. Magpie, we need to interview you. Oh! It's time to interview Magpie. Oh, you alright? Ah, she's talking. Oh, what interest? Maybe Daisy right there. Oh, I don't focus on the word. Focus on getting dizzy. Getting Daisy, it's not focusing on you. Yes, Mickey, it's your turn. It's blurry. I can't see it. Oh, okay. I just fixed. I just doesn't want to do an interview. It's hard as crap. Focus. Let's go see the magpie. But daisies. I need to re-record this.